Bitter melon, or bitter gourd, is a plant that gets its name from its taste. It becomes more and more bitter as it ripens. It grows in Asia, South America, the Caribbean, and East Africa. Bitter melon is a good source of nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, folate and vitamin A, that can be beneficial to your health. Bitter melon can reduce blood sugar and cholesterol levels. It contains certain compounds with cancer-fighting properties.
The first step is filling the tray or containers with soil. After the soil is ready, seeds are to be spread on the soil surface. The spacing between the seeds, just hand sprinkling, works fine. Now cover the seeds with a very thin layer of soil and gently pat the surface in order to make the seeds settle well in the container. Spray enough water over the soil surface in order to make the surface completely moist, but do not flood it with water. Sprinkle a little water over the growing greens twice a day.
Bitter gourd takes about 55 to 60 days from seed sowing to reach first harvest. Bitter gourd, being a weak climber, needs support for its growth. Bitter gourd is packed with polyphenols. These compounds are known for their ability to lower inflammation in the body. Bitter gourd contains bioactive compounds, called saponins and terpenoids, which play a role in lowering blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Bitter gourds are harvested when immature, which is why they appear green to green-yellow. You can steam, boil, stir-fry, braise, pickle, stuff, or curry bitter gourd for a variety of nutritious and delicious dishes. You can create a healthy green drink with pureed bitter gourd, lemon, and honey.